Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday. It's time to go hang out with the hubs, you know, the usual. So if you want to see what simple, you know, amazing look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So now let us jump into the makeup look. I don't even know. I feel like I have this little glitter here from ABH. We might do something with that. So this is actually from Glamlite and it is the eye clay, and this shade is, I think, the lightest one, Sweet Shop Buttercream. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna blend this by stamping it into the skin. Like so. Like so. I like to use a concealer brush to do this because I feel like the chunkier the brush, the better. You can just dump it in there. Actually, let's use this Noble Blues from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I'm really just gonna use like a couple shades from there because I'm gonna use that thingy from. So I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm gonna just put this right here. And just tapping it. I need another blush. This is M505 from Morphe, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here just to blend the edges. Nothing crazy. And just keep blending it, guys. Just blend. Blue can be difficult to work with, but you can also make it work for you. Like so. Now let's go into this glitter. I don't like working with glitter, but we're gonna have to make this work. Then we're gonna do a little glitter glue from NYX, and then I'm gonna go in here. This look is so easy. Even if I know like the shades are bold, it's so easy. This is Y215 from Playing Makeup by Yolondo, and then I just pick this up and I just tap it here. This is like icy white. I'm just making sure this goes all the way, nicely blended. This is really fine. So I feel like if you don't blend it, it will end up everywhere. Or if you don't, use a glue, you will literally end up with glitter everywhere. I just want a little bit of purple, I think. This is on a 216 from Playing Makeup by Yolondo. This is a little Cara Beauty palette that I got from Marshalls, and this one is the Party Girl. I just taking this one shade from it, which is purple. I'm just gonna put it right here to just blend this a bit. See, so I get like a gradient kind of finish. Now I'm gonna go back in this because I feel like I lost a little bit of my blue. Not blue, sorry. T-shirt. And then I'm gonna go back to this blue a little bit and then just perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. I feel like this lash is gonna
Now wait just a gall-darn minute.
me up today. But let us talk about this foundation. Today we're gonna talk about the Sephora 10-hour Wear Perfection foundation, and it's all free. So shake the foundation. I will shake it. Oh no, this is not even shaking. This might work. Maybe. And this brush is the last time I'm using it. It's dirty. So this is the concealer. Make no mistake, high coverage concealer. This is also from Sephora. Oh, I hate stuff like this. This is an F420 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And we're just gonna spray it. What shade is this? Vanilla Bean. Oh, this is pretty. Actually, I put it in my cart thinking this was a foundation. And when it got here, I'm like, oh, it's not a foundation, it's a concealer. This is actually not bad. I just don't like how the component is. I'm gonna leave it here for a little bit. Let it do something. I'm gonna use this. This is from ABH, and it is the bronzer. It is the cream bronzer, and the shade is terracotta. Say, like, the reason why I like the brush, so this is a fan brush, but it's like a chunky fan brush. So if you can get any kind of chunky fan brush, you get the same kind of effect. So, you know, some people like to put their bronzer or the contour with like a dome brush. I just like this because of how it shapes, and it just kind of like goes here, you know. See, I just like how it just goes along my face. And then I'm gonna take this brush, that's my foundation brush, and just kind of like blend this a little bit. So I am gonna use some liquid brush. Where's that blush? So I'm not gonna put the blush on my face. I'm actually gonna put it on the back of my hand to warm it up a bit, and then I'm gonna put it on my face, if that makes sense, like so. And then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna like stipple it like this and see if I can like look at this, there's like nothing there. I don't like it. Not sure why I'm singing. Is that a foundation brush? No. Is that a concealer blush? Yes. My slick brush. Because I don't want to blend this again. It is just not the business. I'm gonna use this powder. This is from Maybelline and it's the Fit Me powder. This is like really light, but I'm just gonna use this to set this, like right here, like so. My neck hurts. And then I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier and set the rest of my under eye, like really, you know, and set the rest of my concealer areas. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use Conifer, you know, aka the mess I have here. But you know, see, like this did like a kind of something here, and I'm pretty sure it's that blush. Okay, so for my waterline, we're gonna do Yayo from Urban Decay, because I think that looks good with this. And then what is that blush? My favorite blush to blend. Ow! Somebody talking about me. Isn't that like a superstition when you knock your elbow? I don't know. So I'm gonna go in with that dark blue, and then I'm gonna use a purple to blend it out. Nothing crazy. I don't know if I slept wrong on my neck. My neck kind of hurts. And I'm using the purple, and I'm just doing just this part. I'm not bringing it all the way. That is it. And then a little something in my inner corner. Let me see if I need some glitter glue. Whew. I hate when I do that. Nope. Actually, let me use this. This is from Too Faced. It's not actually it's just a powder. So I got it in a really dark shade or a darker shade, and I'm gonna use that for my bronzer. Then I'm using it on my even tail brush from Sephora. And this is like my perfect bronzer. And something I'll do that, like just get like a powder that's darker and then use it for my bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this blush from MAC. It is the Flirting with Danger Mineralizer blush. Looks like so. I feel like this blush is like maybe a little bit, you know, like dark for me, but I like it. I feel like if you have darker skin tone, this will be so pretty. And we're gonna go in for our Rare Beauty highlighter. Let us use this. I got this in my boxy charm. So we're gonna use this to line the lip. Again, this is shade Date Night. I think that's the whole kit. Now we're gonna go in with that liquid lipstick. This is Professional Super Setter from Benefit. And then I'm gonna go in with my One Size. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. I know, overdrew my lips, but they look out nice and simple and soft, and well, it's not simple, it's kind of, you know, blue, but you know what I mean. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
좋아할 줄 몰라서 난 지금 소미 And so many times 뉴욕 절대 떠날 생각도 마라 Flying high 추운 날씨 피해 캘리 또 가봐 꿈을 꿔 I've been dreaming about this ever since day one I was young 어렸을 때부터 제일 원했던